Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to access subtitles in your native language. Obviously, if you speak English, you wouldn't need subtitles, but if you speak Spanish, you might need to see the subtitles of any of the videos that I create or any YouTube videos. So, I'm going to try my best to speak Spanish in this video to help you out. So, here we go. Lo siento por mi español. Cuando tú quieres ver las palabras en el videos, los videos, lo siento. Cuando tú clic un video en abajo, ves CC, click. Okay. Y cuando tú clic aquí es clic derecho. Lo siento. Oh, no, lo siento. No derecho, just click. Y ven acá aquí. Click. Abajo es auto translate. Click. And then los lenguas aquí, or las lenguas. Click Spanish. Okay. Now, en el video,
hi everyone.
los palabras
Quickly make a tutorial
abajo
video on how to use this Office
en
this 365
español,
and all the apps that you're going to need to be successful as we start our
y tú
year online. So
tú
you're gonna need
leas
your device, and whether it's a computer, tablet,
en español.
phone, whatever.
Lo siento,
You're going to want to
por
open
mi
up your
español.
web page.
Okay.
Or a web page.
All right, that was really, really raunchy. I'm sorry about that. So, if you are a Spanish speaker and you kind of speak English, I'll re-explain that to you now. So if you want to see your subtitles, I don't want to play that video. If you want to see your subtitles in Spanish,
.office, oh my goodness.
you click your CC, okay? The CC opens up closed captions on your screen on the bottom. Then you click on settings, and then you could turn in your subtitles into whatever language you want. You could, it translates it into Spanish. You could keep it just in English if you're just like watching and not listening to the video, because I don't blame you. I would get sick of my voice too. So whatever way you want to do it, all it does is it's just 2 clicks for you to find your native language. And then on the bottom of the screen, it'll automatically generate it from the English words into the Spanish words. Now, some of them might be off because just it's generating by itself. It's not, I'm not typing in what I'm saying. Okay, so they're just picking what they're hearing. So if it sounds weird, it probably is something weird that I didn't actually say. And you could ask me for clarification on that. But that's how you access Spanish closed captions. And I'm sorry about my Spanish.